Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of the Garden Gate. As you can see, we have a lot of gardening tools available at the Avant Garden Shop, including some wonderful Felco pruners. These are made in Switzerland, kind of like your Swiss Army knife, so super quality. Really nicely forged tools, very strong tools that you cut through your branches very easily. Every part's replaceable, so that's really nice because you don't have to just throw the tool out. If there's an issue, you can get parts replaced. But to be honest, the only thing I've ever had to replace is the spring. And that sometimes happens because somebody's working away in a shrub or something and they lose the spring, or it does get loose. And after a while, you do need to replace it. The Felco 8 is my most popular because it's ergonomic. The Felco 6 is good for a woman's hand because it's just a little bit smaller and easier to open. It's a great tool. There's a whole series of different tools and we can help you choose whichever one is right for you. The little saw is also a great tool. It works on the pull, really nice. You can sharpen these as well, both the pruners and the saws, and it's recommended that you clean the tool. So you can see I haven't done a very good job cleaning my tool, and this is one that needs a little bit of work. And you can just put this little spray on it and use a special little cloth here, and that really cleans it up nicely. Once it's clean, you can polish it and sharpen it, and that gets all the goo and all the disease and everything out of it, so good to clean it regularly. Thanks for joining me on the Garden Gate, and we'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.